Hi guys, so today's design tip is something new that's kind of trendy in the market, which is gathering rooms. So this is a gathering room. I absolutely love it. It's in front of the fireplace in the home, off of the formal dining room and the living room. And this is just a great spot where, like, if you're entertaining guests, they can sit down, have some wine, still be in conversation with the people in the kitchen, people on the island possibly, and the formal dining room. So these spaces are called gathering areas. I really love the 4-seat circular table conversation setting to gather. It's very popular nowadays and I absolutely love it. So this is something to consider in a space if you do not need a formal dining room, if you have a breakfast nook or an island that you use, but you have the breakfast nook right off the island. Maybe you can turn your breakfast nook space into a gathering area, something more fun, or utilize the space in a different format. This is a great way to do that. As you see, right off the formal, like we mentioned, you have the family room, and then over here you do have the actual island with bar stools. So if you wanted to sit here while you are cooking or entertaining guests, people can sit here, still have the gathering area there and the cooking space here. So everybody is together gathered in one area, having great conversations and creating fabulous memories. So I love this idea, and I just wanted to share, if your space has a formal dining room and a breakfast nook area and you do not need that breakfast nook area, you could create a gathering area. And I hope everyone is living just fancy.